Hi everybody, how you doing? Kevin here. Hopefully all is well with you. There's so many people in this picture. You're kind of wondering which one's me. Well, this is me in the corner. Okay, these happy people here are all a part of a network, an affiliate network called MaxWeb.com. This is one of the affiliate managers here, and they've put together this affiliate network that you can tap into to become an affiliate. And MaxWeb is got the strongest CPA affiliate network in the world, so they say, okay, which is cool. CPA is cost per action. I'm going to talk to you about that. It is different than ClickBank, okay, for sure. When you're in ClickBank, you make one sale, you get one payment, and that's it. This is slightly different. I'm going to teach you about CPA affiliate, this affiliate network, and bring you inside and show you around, okay, and explain a bit more detail. Okay, so let's go in. I think I've logged in already, so just bear with me 1 second. Yes, I have. Okay, so you can become an affiliate here. Let's just quickly go back here. I think they hide it down the end of the screen. Sometimes they do. What we got here? Become an advertiser. You sign up. Weekly blogs, which is kind of cool. You got the team here that are in doing good things, and they're a good affiliate network for sure. Okay, and they got lots of great testimonials here. Okay, and they're ranked in Trustpilot as well, which is kind of cool. Okay, so they're doing a lot of good things here, and it says become an affiliate. So you can click here to become an affiliate. Okay, and you just got to fill out your name, last name, email address, telegram if you have a password, and confirm, and they will send you an email to you when you've confirmed. Okay, and then you can join the network as well. Okay, so campaigns, you can sign up for that academy. Okay, events, they put on events too, which is good. So they have different events going on, but let's go inside to the actual network itself, and here we are inside it today. And I'm just going to show you around this network. It's, as I said, it is different than ClickBank. So once you're in here, you got the dashboard here. You can just simply go down to campaigns. Okay, this is just an overview of what's happening within your sales. This is a fresh account, so there's nothing in here happening. Okay, but once you're in, you simply go down to campaigns, and over here is you'll see a lot of products being displayed. Now, I just kind of want to explain about the products. A lot of them are, health and fitness products, but the categories, the overall categories, can be found up here. There's a little drop down, and you got back pain, brain memory, dating, dental, gum health, diabetes. You've got some e-com stuff there as well, which is kind of cool. There's some initial ones coming in board. We'll take a look at that. You've got joint supplements, keto, liver health, lung health. You can see a lot of them are, about nerve health, all about kind of, you got them in Spanish, you got them in Portuguese, supplements. So it was very much geared towards the health and fitness market with this one here. But there is e-com ones that you can tap into as well. So over here, what I'm going to do is, this is the product name, okay, and it gives you kind of like a little description of it here, okay, and then there's a promote button here, which is green, okay. So over here we have known as conversion rate, and they're kind of giving you an idea of the conversion rate of the particular product. So they're saying 2.11%. Okay, the product price is priced at 79. Okay, so if you're, let's say for example, this particular product was on ClickBank, you would be paid $79. Okay, and that would be pretty much it, unless it's on a continuous basis. Now, this one isn't going to pay you $79. What? What are you talking about? No, it's CPA, as we talked about, which is cost per action. So they're going to pay you an average payout of $165. Now, why are they doing that? Well, basically, they are taking on board the fact that they've probably got a back end of the supply of these. So you're just making the initial sale, and they're going to pay you more for that sale. So you can actually earn $165 now for this particular product. Sell it once, would be 79, but they're paying you, you know, 165. And this is how your money can add up very quickly, okay? But the way they look at this is this particular product is probably an ongoing product that people are going to maybe use over the year. So they may be, you know, locked into a 6 month or 3 month or 12-month period of taking this particular product. So they know that, and they've done their calculations out, and they say, okay, we're happy to pay the affiliate $165, although it should be just 79. Okay, because they understand maybe the long-term strategy of maybe this person could spend on it 2 years, 3 years. They're kind of forecasting for the future, whereas you as an affiliate, you're driving traffic to it, and they're going to pay you $165. Okay, the earnings per click is like, what is it going to cost in advertising terms to kind of get a click to this particular product? And they're saying it's $3.48. This is from their perspective, their numbers. As you drive traffic, depends where you're coming from. If you're coming from YouTube, that number may go way down. If you're doing it through TikTok, it may go way down. It just really depends on the network. But they're saying like they may be running Facebook ads, and a lot of people that run through this use it for Facebook. Okay, so they sending people directly to the product. Somebody purchased the product, they're getting 165 into their bank account. It's costing them, say, $3.48 per click. The trending over here is very high on this, okay? So there's a lot of demand for this product. It's about 170.23. Each one of them will have different trendings as we drop down through this. And again, you can see this one here. This is the Nair Fresh, okay? Which is a blend of herbs, extract plants, all that kind of stuff. Okay, and again, they're paying you. The product price is 69, so the consumer is getting 69 for it. Okay, but they're paying you 115. And again, it's trending here, and the cost per click they're saying is less than this one here. So that's something to take into consideration. So you can kind of see pretty much the same all the way down here with this one, 69, 115, 69, 115. But again, the trending, it's based on the trending as well. You know, this one's been around for quite a while now. 110 they're going to pay you on this, and the trending factor and the CPC that they're taking into consideration here. So overall, it is a very good network. You have to apply to promote to these here. So you'll hit the promote button here, and then you'll have to kind of, you've successfully applied for this offer. And that's because I've done it before. You may have to put in a little bit of information in relation to doing that, okay, before you can get access to the product, okay, to promote. And then you get a special link that they send you, and away you go. You've got your link, and then you can drive traffic to it. So all different areas here, like back pain, what have they got here? Brain, memory, CBD, dating, dental, gum health, diabetes. Again, very much focused on the health and fitness market niche. And if you remember, I was talking about what are the three areas of wealth. You got finances, you got health and fitness, and you got relationships. So you're in a good area here. Diet, fitness, and digital. And they do have some e-commerce stuff. So e-commerce, which is slightly different, but again, the percentage payouts, the average payout, and this one's 44. I don't understand why this is bigger. The customer pay is that. This one's 69 and 80 here for this one. Obviously, this is trending quite high. Maybe that's the reason for it. The average payout is $44 for this particular pillow. So if you're promoting again, simply click here. They have things like, by working the leading global internet providers, I'm going to say that wrong, Ryoko ensures the essential reliability for fast and secure internet connections for all devices, no matter where you are in the world. This could be good for somebody who's traveling, you know. So that's a brand new product to the market. And you'll see other ones here that are coming in and going. So you can go through that, and you can see, you can just go down here, see the way it's show 100. It's not doing that because it's in the e-commerce section. But if you go to all, and you kind of want to see a little bit more of the products, you can just kind of go down again, and you can kind of say, well, there's 513 in total. I just want to scan through them. Click 100, and you're going to get 100 of different offers kind of scattered all over the place in different offers that you can see. Okay. Why isn't it happening there? Okay, 75. Okay, you can see there's more there. Okay, to choose from. Just take your time, go through it, see whether this is a market that appeals to you. If it is, great. If not, move on to another network as well. Okay, so that's MaxWeb. Definitely worthwhile checking out. And if you're interested in learning how to sell this directly to the consumer, I highly recommend that you jump on board this here, which is called Affiliate Bootcamp. I'm going to leave a link below this here. I'm actually going through this program myself. It's hosted by Russell Brunson, probably one of the top internet marketers in the world. He sold millions online, and he owns a company called ClickFunnels. He's over 10 years in this area of affiliate marketing. And what he's done here is he's done something very clever indeed by putting together a training program that's going to teach and train you how to sell these products and how to get the maximum return for your investment. But not only that, he's put in a income stream in this. As you learn, you're going to earn. He's put in 6 additional income streams that you can actually plug into, and while people are learning the system, they can use the products that they already need to build an online business. So this is not something that, these are shabby products. These are products that they need in the process to build their online business. It's 6 of them all in one. So you can become an affiliate for this as well if you want to do that. And you can basically promote this, and you can keep, I think it's $97 or something like that for everybody that you refer to. But first of all, go through the program, see for yourself. You can actually take this for, join the affiliate bootcamp for $197 or $7 a month. That's actually, I'm gonna teach you something here. I'm gonna save you $100 by doing that. Okay, click here, join the affiliate bootcamp, and you can see you get lifetime access to all the training and everything that's inside there for $97. Or you can pay the $7 a month. So $97 or $7 a month. So just saved you $100 there by going that route. Okay, and it's definitely worthwhile, and definitely worthwhile getting on board to learn from that. Okay, so you're learning from one of the top internet marketers in the world, and there's a 100% money back guarantee with this. He's going to show you how to structure it, how everything operates. And it's definitely worthwhile getting along to and participating in. Okay, here's the actual inside of the course. So what you get: free 30 affiliate bootcamp trainings, less than 5 minutes each. So you learn while you earn. You get a free affiliate bootcamp secret training inside here as well. You get a free license for all the content and the bases. You get up to 100% commission on exclusive offers, free bonuses, built-in membership sites, start running traffic and earning for commission is instantly, double your bonus, pre-built high converting funnels. And I just think this will work well with all this training videos that I'm showing you. There's no point in me showing you training videos without it as actually kind of making things work that you can actually make an income from it. So as I said, all this for $197 or $7 a month. Join now. Just pick this one if you want the $97 a month, or sorry, 97 one-time payment, or the $7 a month. Okay, all right, go and do that now and take advantage of it. Okay, it'd be definitely worthwhile doing it. And with that said, any questions, simply drop them below. Bye for now.